kebabs. Those are the beef one.
Beef one.
Yeah. And then we order Haleem,
That's
special
the
Haleem. They put oil and fried
Pepper,
onion.
kind of pepper.
Yeah, onion in it. Those are the ingredients for the Haleem. We order also salad and also raita. And let's start with the kebabs.
Let's try the kebabs.
We have a pretty nice naan, fresh
Yep.
baked one. So let's try that. All time my favorite. Very spongy, right? And very soft. So let's try this one. Delicious. I can taste the garlic as well and green chili. Very nice, very good taste, but it is spicy. Awesome. So let's try Haleem with the naan. So this should be gooey type Haleem. These are the lentils and beef mix in it.
Blending of lentils
Yeah,
and
so a lot of lentils, beef.
beef as well.
Yeah, so it should be gooey. Like you see that?
Yeah.
This is the Haleem.
The thread of beef.
Yeah, you should see the thread. This is authentic.
Yeah.
And this is Haleem Ghar is a kind of authentic restaurant where they cook the Haleem. So I'm actually eating from Haleem from last, I'll say 20 years, or maybe more. So let's try that. I didn't put any ingredients right now, but I have to put one ginger, one green chili, and
Lemon.
little bit
What a rocket bite.
lemon. I'm going to take the seeds out. So let's try that.
It's good.
Very good. Nice. So, some raita. This is the yogurt. Melted yogurt. Some cumin. And let's try that. Yogurt. Very nice. Very refreshing. So anyways, everything is very delicious. We are very hungry right now. Gears out hungry right now. So please keep us watching with enjoystarfood. Keep us, support us by subscribing our channel and share with your family and friends. See you in another video.
Thanks for watching.